Hey lads, TechScanning here. So it wouldn't be wrong to say that Nothing Phone 2 is one of the highly anticipated phones of 2023, especially after the company's CEO's statement that for the next phone they will be moving to a more premium offering. So the brand has now just kickstarted the hype train and shared a sneak peek of new transparent back panel alongside the confirmation that the Phone 2 is coming this summer. But what is more exciting, we just got a render of Nothing Phone 2 back panel, mainly revealing the LED's glyph design. And as we can see, it looks almost the same as its predecessor except for few changes, like a dash-shaped recording indicator instead of a dot on the last year's model. Though the render isn't revealing much of the design, but we can guess there will be more high-quality renders in the coming days. So while the exact launch date is yet to be announced, however, earlier Qualcomm accidentally revealed that the Nothing Phone 2 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Though it's not as powerful as the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but surely Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is powerful enough to run all the heavy-duty apps and games effortlessly. Earlier, in an interview, the company's CEO Carl Pei shared that they will keep their focus on the software optimizations rather than running after the costly hardware. So I guess we're gonna experience some software magic with the Nothing Phone 2. Good thing Nothing has already revealed that the next phone will also be available in the US market. In fact, they will take it as the primary market. Anyway, the possible launch date is months away from us and the brand has already started teasing us. So in the coming days, expect more teasers and leaks. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.